In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website in Siteground. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a website permanently removes its files, databases, and related tools from your hosting, and it can't be undone. If you still need any content, make sure you've saved copies in advance so you're not caught off guard later. Start by opening your browser and heading to the My Siteground portal. This takes you to your main account dashboard where you manage all your projects in one place. Once you're there, click the Websites tab. That opens a list of every website currently set up under your account. You'll see each site displayed with quick actions and access to tools, which helps you confirm you're working on the right project. Locate the website you want to remove and open its details. This area gives you a snapshot of what's installed, along with shortcuts to File Manager, databases, backups, and other utilities. Take a moment to verify the domain and any labels you've used so you don't accidentally act on the wrong site, especially if you manage multiple environments like staging and production. Next, look for the three vertical dots next to that website's entry, the Actions menu. Click it to reveal management options for the selected site. From this menu, choose Delete. Don't worry, nothing is removed yet. This selection brings up a confirmation screen so you can review exactly what will happen. On the confirmation page, read everything carefully. SiteGround typically explains that the website's files, databases, staging copies, and scheduled tasks related to that site will be removed. This action does not cancel your overall hosting plan or your domain registration. It only deletes the specific website instance and its data from the server. You may be asked to acknowledge warnings before proceeding. If any backups are tied solely to that website, they may no longer be available after deletion, so ensure you've preserved anything important. When you're certain you've selected the correct website and you understand the impact, click Confirm. SiteGround will process the request, and within a short time, the site will disappear from your website's list. If you were using a content delivery network or aggressive caching, it's normal for cached pages to linger briefly. Those will clear on their own. Visitors will no longer reach the deleted content on this hosting. And that's it. You've removed the website safely using SiteGround's built-in controls. If you plan to replace it with a new project, you can return to the website section anytime and create a fresh site on the same domain or a different one.